very quick video about chemical equations and the way we use numbers to balance them and represent what's going on in a reaction. So the reaction I've got here is a very simple one, hydrogen with oxygen making water. But I've used different colours for the different kinds of numbers. So these blue numbers, the subscript numbers, those are the first ones to talk about. That tells us what the number of atoms in each molecule is. So a hydrogen molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms. Likewise, an oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. And a water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen. If there's no number, it's a 1, not a 0, obviously. So that's the kind of the ratio of atoms in the molecules. But then if we want to balance an equation, we might need different numbers of each molecule to make it all add up. And that's the big number in front. If you're doing higher tier, you'd think of this as being like molar ratios in the reaction, but it's speaking to the number of molecules in the reaction. So 2 hydrogen molecules are required to react with 1 oxygen molecule to make 2 water molecules, and then it'll all add up. Remember, that's 1. Even if there's no number, there's a 1. So representing with dots, I've got purple dots for hydrogen, orange dots for oxygen. We've got 2 molecules of 2 hydrogens, there's 4 purple dots, and 1 molecule of oxygen, 2 orange dots, and then they will add up. We've still got 4 purple dots, 2 orange dots, making our 2 molecules of water. So you can see how that works visually. I hope that was sort of a helpful way of showing it. And thanks for watching.